Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are discuss about solar pen technology. It's a new technology and the future of renewable energy. Here you can know about how we can use paint to solarize our home or some object. Here with the help of paint you can generate electricity. That paint called solar paint technology. So connect with us to know more about this new technology. First of all, you know about what is solar paint. Solar paint is a special liquid that turns sunlight into electricity when painted on a surface. It works like a solar panel, but in the form of paint. Basic is it's a paint. In a normal paint contains some material like solar material like nanomaterial that can absorb the sunlight and create electricity. Let's talk about why it's innovative and comparison between our traditional solar panel and new solar paint technology. Traditional solar panels are very heavy and not flexible to use everywhere, but the solar paint is very flexible and lightweight. You can use in everywhere like your home roof, wall, and you can paint some object. Those objects are you can store or like place in outside your home or organization. First of all, why it's innovative? It's flexible, lightweight, and surface adaptability. Means you can use this solar paint in various surface. Those surfaces are contact with solar or sun. So go to the next. Here you know about what are quantum dots. Quantum dots are not the tiny particles. These particles mixing with paint. Those paint are coloring in our wall. These paint consider some quantum dots. These are the main source of solar that can generate electricity. So know what is quantum dots? Just a few nanometer wide. Means it is a nanometer size dots available in paint made from semiconductor materials. Semiconductor means not fully conductor, partially conductor. Material like cadmium, selenide, or lead sulfide. These three types of semiconductor materials used to make solar paint. These materials use the form of quantum dots. Different type of solar paint companies use different materials. There are three types main material: cadmium, selenide, or lead sulfides. Because of their size, they have unique optical property. They can absorb and emit light very efficiently. Means these materials have high optical property. That's why scientists are chosen this property, chosen this product cadmium selenide lead sulfide to use in solar paint that can generate high electricity by the consume the solar light, and their behavior can be cleaned by changing their size. Means the amount of electricity generated, it can be changeable or modifiable by the help of the changing the size of quantum dots used in the solar paint. We go to next slide. Here you can know about how it works, how quantum, like how solar paint works properly in real life. First of all, you know about when sunlight hits the quantum dots, means here is the no you can see the painted surface. When sunlight hit the quantum dots, here is the blue dots, you know, these quantum dots, this made of cadmium materials, semiconductor materials. When solar hits sunlight hits to the quantum dots in the plane or painted surface, photons excited electron in the quantum dots. Means the photons, the light particles are excited. Electron को excite in the quantum dots. These excited electrons jump to higher energy state. Means When the photons are contact with the surface of painted solar light, the electron are excited to those electrons present in the particles of the semiconductor material that can excited to the higher energy state, lower energy state to higher energy state, leaving behind a hole. Means in these materials like there is a atom is present, when light is absorbed, the atom is divided, hole and electron both are divided, holes are in the lower part and the electron is jumping to the higher energy state. The flow of electron, the flow of electron in the paint or in the semiconductor material compound, that can the movement of electron and hole create an electric current. You know the basics of how current is generated. The movement of electron is equal to electricity. You know, go to the next step. Benefits and challenges. Benefits and challenges about the new solar panel technology. First, we talk about what is the benefits. There are 3 points we are mentioned. It is lightweight and flexible. Means it is very lightweight and flexible. You can use everywhere. You can those substance those particles are exposed with sunlight. You can use these solar panel to generate electricity. Potentially low cost. It is low cost. The difference from comparison of our commercial or old types of solar panels, it is scalable for home and vehicle. Means you can use also vehicles. In vehicles there are colors are used to like looking beautiful. By using colors, normal colors, you can use solar paint that can create as electricity, and it also helps to car back charging and different type of activity related to car info system. And you can also drive a car without any chargeable battery with the help of solar paint. Challenges means what is the difficulties are faced after the using of solar paint. Efficiency still improving. Means I firstly call it is a not, it is a improving stage. Matlab means it is not finalized. Scientists are already research and try to find the better version of solar paint. So efficiency is a problem, is also durability issue. Means like you can paint your wall after 2 to 3 months the paint quality is degradation, so it can affect the electrician. The that problem is also issue. Not yet commercialized. Means nowadays also it is not used by different private organization. It is a research stage. So next our best, what is the next? Industry and future outlooks. Means which companies are now working on solar paint and which research institute are working on solar paint to develop their better version, provide human society a great product to provide a healthier and carbon emission free society. These companies are Helitech, Solar Inc., Nanosolar, and the research leaders are University of Toronto, Aramat University. You know, so thank you. Connect with us to know various new technology and tech related content and valuable content. If you like, subscribe and like our channel. Stay tuned to know different type of new technology related to now scenario. Thank you.